Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best smart locks to upgrade your home security. We upload quality videos daily, helping you discover the best products for your needs. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Number 1. Eufy Smart Lock Touch. In the past few years, we've tested and installed many Eufy security devices, including security cameras and motion detection floodlights, so we're familiar with the brand's high quality. We already had the Eufy app on our smartphone, so once we installed the door lock and activated it, by installing the batteries, the app detected it immediately. Following the steps on the app, we set a security code and entered our fingerprints into the lock's memory. Once everything was configured, we started testing. We used fingerprints and the security code to open the lock from outside. Both worked flawlessly. We also used voice control via our Alexa system to open and close the lock remotely. We rang the doorbell, which connects wirelessly to an inside chime module that plugs into an electrical outlet, and we viewed the camera videos from our smartphone. Number 2. Smonnet Smart Lock with Handle. The Smonnet Smart Lock offers keyless access while replacing an existing doorknob for doors that don't have a separate deadbolt. We replaced a keyed knob on an exterior door in our shop, which allowed us to use the new lock's keypad and fingerprint sensor to unlock the door rather than feeling around on top of the door jamb for the spare key. It also comes with 2 fobs, small electronic cards that unlock the door when held against the keypad. One of the neatest things about this smart lock is that the handle can be quickly switched from one side to the other, so it can be installed on a door that opens from the right or the left. Other handle locks can also be configured to do this, but they often require disassembling the lock to do so. With the Smonnet, it was just a matter of depressing a lever and twisting the handle to the other side. Nice. Once it was installed, we downloaded the app, and it walked us through the configuration process. We're familiar with several security product apps, and we felt the Smonnet app was one of the most self-explanatory. It's comprehensive, making it well-suited for anyone needing extra help configuring a lock. We chose a passcode and entered our fingerprints into the lock's memory, and the lock opened easily using either. Number 3. Wise Smart Lock. This budget-friendly smart lock replaces only the interior part of a deadbolt while retaining the existing exterior part of the lock. While this was one of the simplest locks to install, be aware that it's not an entire replacement deadbolt. The existing center section, the strike, and the exterior part of the deadbolt will remain, so those looking to replace the whole deadbolt should choose a different model. The unit comes with a Bluetooth receptor, Wise Gateway, that plugs into an indoor outlet within 50 feet of the lock. We downloaded the Wise app, which synced with the gateway and walked us through the configuration process. We could lock and unlock the deadbolt from our smartphone, and the gateway sent an alert to our phone when the door opened or closed. The app also records each time the lock is activated. Number 4. Yale Assure Lock 2. Yale has a long history of making high-quality hardware and locks, and the Assure Lock 2 carries on the company's tradition. Like most of the smart locks we tested, the Assure is designed to replace an existing deadbolt, and it was straightforward to install, after which we downloaded the Yale app. Though we used an Android smartphone to download the Yale app, Apple owners have even more opportunities, including syncing the smart lock with an Apple Watch, which allows users to activate the lock from their watch. We set the app to recognize multiple key codes, and we were able to activate the lock remotely from the app. We could configure the auto lock to lock the door anywhere from 30 seconds to 30 minutes after we closed the door. A nice feature that keeps the auto lock from becoming annoying is a passage button on the inside of the lock that we could press to deactivate the auto lock function. Of course, we could also turn it off entirely from the app. Number 5. Ultralock U-Bolt 6 in one smart deadbolt. The Ultralock Smart Lock uses Bluetooth and a downloaded app to unlock and lock the door from a smartphone. It will also sync with a home network via Wi-Fi, but that requires purchasing a separate hub, which we did not have for testing. The Ultralock installed easily on an exterior door with an existing deadbolt lock. We were able to download the app by scanning a QR code in the user's manual, and the app walked us through the configuration process. This smart lock operates like the other models we tested, but we really liked its attractive appearance, which features number keys in a circle around a fingerprint scanner that sits in the center of the keypad. In addition, when the keypad is touched, a bright green light clearly illuminates the buttons, even at night.